Hi everybody, it's Kristina from Kristina's Crafts. I am going to show you how to single crochet. This is a number 4 weight yarn worsted weight. It is Red Heart Super Saver, and on the package it says to use a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. So the first thing you need to do is you need to create a loop. So you do that like this. Grab this little yarn here and pull the tail, and that's how you get your yarn on your crochet hook. Then what you're going to do is you're going to wrap this yarn around the hook and pull through the loop. So wrap around, pull through the loop, and this is called a chain. You have to have a chain to start your single crochet. So you wrap around the hook, pull through. All right, and this is your chain. So then to do a single crochet, you are going to do it in the second chain from the hook, which is right here. Right here is the first chain. You never crochet into that one. You always go into the second chain. So you put your hook through here, just this top loop right there. You yarn over, and then you pull through that loop. Then you yarn over again and pull through 2 loops, and that is a single crochet. So go into the next one right here, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through that loop. Then you yarn over again and pull through 2. You're going to go into your next chain, then you yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, pull through 2. All right, into your next chain, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And you're going to do this all the way to the end. All right, I am in the last one right here. All right, so I single crocheted all the way across. Then to go up to the next step, you yarn over and pull through your loop. That is considered a chain 1. Then you are going to turn your work. This is going to be the next stitch that you crochet into, and you want to make sure that you go underneath both these loops. You're not in a chain anymore, so you go underneath both loops, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2. So underneath both loops, then you yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Go underneath both loops, yarn over, pull through 2. You're going to do this all the way to the end. All right, now the last one right here is kind of a little harder to see because it kind of goes down on an angle, but you want to make sure you get through both of those. And then you yarn over, pull through 2. All right, and then whenever you want to go up to the next step, always make sure that you yarn over and pull through. That is a chain. Then you flip your work over, and then this is your next one right here, your next stitch. and you make sure you go underneath both of them. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. And that is how you do a single crochet.